Well, I played tennis all my life, started when I was 8 years old, played through high school, through college. Then I quit and went to work. After I retired, I took up tennis again. The United States Tennis Association has this senior tour, which they promote around the country. And so I got back into that, which was a lot of fun. And for the most part, that went very well. But a year ago, I started to have some discomfort in my back. I rested some and then did a lot of stretching and rehabilitation, physical training work, which helped a lot. But then eventually it kept getting worse and worse. It was getting quite, painful, and I was having to take a lot of anti-inflammatories and some painkillers in order to get through the day and to remain competitive.
Mr. Buck came because he was having trouble with a pinched nerve in his lower back, and he's a very, very highly motivated individual and a very good athlete. And so when it started interfering with his activities of daily living, he decided he needed to have something done.
And we did the x-rays and MRIs, and it came back that it was a fairly serious breakdown in one of my vertebrae, and that wasn't going to be cured by rest or rehabilitation.
He was really at the point where he had to decide if surgery was the right thing to do or not. And he also had the right problem that was treated through a minimally invasive fusion approach. And that is a technique where you preserve the nerve to the muscles in the spine. It's a muscle dividing as opposed to dissecting approach. And it has an advantage for someone such as Mr. Buck because the muscles recover faster and you don't weaken the muscles at those levels.
And then we came back and scheduled and did the surgery in early December of 2014. From the first day, I was pain-free and drug-free. Now I'm playing a lot, like almost every day, and I'm playing my first national tournament in about 2 weeks. I appreciate, everything that, folks in Carolina Spine did for me, and Dr. Hosky, and the folks at Mission Hospital. They were all great.